Do you know why some channel blow up in the first couple of weeks and yours barely get any views after a few months? You think it's all luck and YouTube boost channel up randomly? No, it's not luck, but in fact, there's logic and tactics to blow up on YouTube. Now you're probably thinking this newbie that started her channel a couple weeks ago, saying this is not reliable, but in fact, this is not my first channel, and I have a couple of channels before this. I have over 120K subscribers and 7 years of experience in making YouTube video, so I definitely have the right to tell you my trials and errors throughout this journey. Today, if I were to start from zero on this journey in 2024, I'd arm myself with a strategy unlike any other, a strategy tailored for the fast-pacing, constantly changing YouTube algorithm. Step 1. Mindset. To start a new YouTube channel in 2024, you have to have a long-term mindset. A lot of YouTube beginners and blow up quickly on YouTube. When they ask me, all they care are views and subscribers. But when I ask them about their SEO and niches, they know nothing about it. It feels like you just want to skip to the good part without hustling in the beginning. Growing a YouTube channel, definitely not a get-rich-quick game. You also need to know the purpose of you in making YouTube channel at the first place. Are you here to sell or promote full-time influencer? Want to sell a service or marketing? Or you're just having fun making videos? These purpose will have different approach in making video and different strategy to start a channel. If you're just a beginner, figure out your purpose in making videos and look in your competitors within your niche. YouTube is a constantly evolving platform. Algorithms change, viewer preferences shift, and new content formats emerge. To succeed, adopt a mindset of continuous learning. Stay curious about trends, but also dive deep into analytics to understand what resonates with your audience. Invest time in mastering video editing, SEO, and storytelling techniques. Remember, every great YouTuber started as a beginner, and your willingness to learn is what will set you apart. Authenticity. In a world where viewers crave connection, authenticity is your greatest asset. Be true to yourself and your values in every video you make. Share your journey, the good and the bad, and speak from the heart. Authenticity builds trust with your audience, and that trust is the foundation of a strong community. Prioritize community. YouTube is not a one-way street. It's a global community. Engage with your viewers by responding to comments, asking for their input, and creating content that sparks conversations. Collaborate with fellow creators and support each other. Your audience is not just viewers. They're part of your journey. Prioritize building that community, and they will be your biggest supporters. Starting a YouTube channel in 2024 is an adventure that requires learning, resilience, authenticity, and community. Embrace these mindsets, and you're not just starting a channel, you're beginning a journey that could change your life. Remember, every big YouTuber once clicked upload for the first time, just like you will. So dream big, stay true, and let's create something amazing together. Step 2. Niches. To thrive on YouTube today, you must understand these changes. It's not just about uploading videos anymore. It's about creating content that resonates, engages, and adds value to your audience's life. In 2024, YouTube is a platform where quality beats quantity, and niche-focused channels have the potential to grow exponentially, thanks to refined audience targeting and enhanced discoverability. Whether you're passionate about gaming, cooking, tech, or any niche in between, this video is your ultimate guide. From zero to hero, I'll walk you through every step I'd take if I started my YouTube channel in 2024. So grab your notepads and let's transform your YouTube dreams into achievable goals. Choosing a niche isn't just about following trends. It's about finding the intersection between your passions and what viewers are seeking. Ask yourself these quick questions to understand which niches are suitable for you. Question 1. What are your hobbies or passions? Question 2. What topics do you find yourself frequently discussing with friends or family? Question 3. Are there specific problems you're good at solving? Question 4. What types of YouTube channels do you find yourself spending the most time watching? Question 5. What unique perspective or skills can you bring to a topic? After answering these few questions, jot down your answers and start finding related YouTube channel slowly, but surely you will see the path in a clear way. Make sure you choose the niche you're interested in and can see the long-term gain within the niche, because growing a channel required your attention and your growing knowledge within the niche. If you're not interested, your audience will not feel the spark in your videos too. There are so many niches to choose from. But if you don't have a hobby or things that interested you, feel free, find the profitable niches to make money on YouTube. The most profitable channel will always be some evergreen topic, such as healthy and fitness. Host. Your logo? They're not just aesthetic choices. They're your first communication with potential subscribers. If you want to make logo for your channel, you can simply generate text to image using AI tools such as Leonardo, AI, Scalebot, AI, Midjourney, or some tools inside GPT Store. It's honestly the best year to start a YouTube channel with all these tools in hand. Make sure to choose the logo that related your niches, because it's the face of your channel. If you want to learn more about making logo and banner and the basic technical steps to create a channel, click the link in my description box to see them. And before you hit that upload button for the first time, plan your content strategy. Ask yourself, what unique value can I bring to my audience? This is your content mission statement, and it will guide every video you create. Step 3. Content is king. Content is the lifeblood of your channel. In 2024, successful content strikes a perfect balance between entertainment, information, and engagement. Start by researching topics within your niche that have high search volumes but low competition. Use tools like Google Trends and Vidic to uncover these gems. You can use Vidic for content research. Find out the trendy hot topic on the marketplace and finding high-ranking keywords to put in your video's title and description box. But research is just the beginning. Your content needs to captivate from the first second. Open with a question, a surprising fact, or a compelling story to hook your viewers. Look at this video beginning.
That's Iman. He's a high school dropout turned multi-millionaire by the age of 21.
Today I'm going to be DMing 100 businesses to try to land a client for my SMMA. Now this
Is that what interested you to keep watching? Always start with a story or question to interact with the viewers. Then deliver on your promise by providing valuable insights, entertaining narratives, or solutions to their problems. Now don't just provide vitamins, but provide painkillers. What does this mean? Don't make them feel like this video is a "it feels good" video, but a "I must have this video to watch" at. Examples of effective video openings in various niches. Here's a few amazing intro that you can look into.
These kids are some of the richest teenagers in the world. So I flew them out to Miami to spend a day together and learn exactly how they made their million.
Hi, I'm Nut. I'm back hosting the biggest episode of Versus One ever.
The average height for a man in the UK is 5 foot 9 inches. I'm a lot taller than that. Hello, my name is Joe.
Always look into different channels within your niches to see what's working now and get inspired by them. Video quality. Starting Faceless Channel 2024 is the best year. You have the help of tons of AI tools. Use Elven Lab TTS Maker to do crispy, clear voiceover. Use Wondershare or CapCut to create free stock video to create content. Remember, your videos are a reflection of your brand. Lastly, SEO isn't just for websites. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with keywords to improve your visibility on YouTube. Engage with your audience through comments to boost your video's engagement metrics, further signaling to YouTube that your content is worth promoting. First, add Vidic, add a Chrome extension, and check out your competitor's video. Then you can see what tag they're using and look through the keywords to put in your own videos. Monetization strategies. Did you know most successful YouTubers don't just rely on ad revenue? Monetizing your channel is about diversifying your income streams. Never put all eggs in one basket. Don't rely solely on AdSense. Explore affiliate marketing, where you can earn commissions by recommending products you love. Look into sponsorships with brands that resonate with your niche and values. You can have 7 streams of income from one channel, such as ad revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsored content, merchandise sales, memberships and Patreon, course and digital products, sales and consulting and services. Now, when you're first starting a channel, you won't be able to create the whole 7 streams of income. But over time, you will be able to attract sponsorship and partnership from companies. When you first start out, I will recommend affiliate marketing. Simply put a link in the description box about the products you want to sell. Selling courses and high-ticket affiliate products can make you earn more money than cheap products with the same amount of effort. Consider launching a Patreon to offer exclusive content to your most loyal fans. And don't forget about merchandise. It's not just an income stream. YouTube Shorts. Did you know that YouTube Shorts are watched by over 1 billion people every day? Imagine tapping into that audience in 2024. With over 1 billion views daily, YouTube Shorts are not just short videos. They're a golden ticket to skyrocketing your channel's visibility and, yes, even your earnings. When I first started this channel, my shorts boost up and attract viewers to my long-form video. It works like a gem. Studies have shown that the average attention span is now just around 8 seconds shorter than that of a goldfish. In this fast-paced digital age, short-form content, like YouTube Shorts, meets the audience where they are, offering bite-sized entertainment or knowledge that fits perfectly into our busy lives. Why are shorts becoming a non-negotiable part of a successful YouTube strategy? Let's break it down. First up, increased visibility. YouTube's algorithm favors content that engages users, keeping them glued to the platform. Shorts are like a fast lane to visibility, often getting featured in the dedicated shorts section, exposing your content to millions of potential new subscribers. Next, audience growth. Imagine tapping into a global audience. Shorts can attract viewers from all over the world, broadening your reach beyond what traditional videos might achieve. Engagement is another game changer. The interactive nature of shorts, combined with their brevity, encourages likes, shares, and comments. This high engagement rate signals to YouTube that your content is worth promoting, further amplifying your reach. And let's talk money. Monetization opportunities for shorts are expanding. From the Shorts Fund to Super Thanks and integrated shopping features, YouTube is continuously rolling out new ways for creators to earn directly from their short-form content. Lastly, content versatility. Shorts allow you to experiment with new ideas, formats, and storytelling techniques. This creative freedom can lead to unique content that stands out in a crowded marketplace. Integrating YouTube Shorts into your content strategy isn't just about following trends. It's about seizing an opportunity to grow your channel, connect with audiences on a deeper level, and explore new monetization avenues. The question isn't if you should start creating YouTube Shorts, but how quickly you can start. Embrace the short-form revolution, and let's make 2024 the year you transform your channel and take your creativity to new heights. Starting a YouTube channel in 2024 may seem daunting, but with the right strategy, it's more achievable than ever. Remember, the essence of YouTube success lies in creating content that resonates, building a community around your channel, and continuously adapting to the platform's algorithm. To jumpstart your journey, don't forget to grab your free AI prompts to create the best video on YouTube. Here's a couple videos to catch up and comment down below your favorite AI tool.